Welcome to FoodSaga. Like, subscribe, and comment for more. Let's start. Welcome, history enthusiasts, to a journey back in time to the heart of ancient Rome. Feasts were not just meals, but grand spectacles of luxury and decadence. Imagine a Roman banquet, a theatrical event meticulously designed to impress guests. It boldly displayed the host's immense power and wealth. These were performances carefully orchestrated, and what a display it was. The tables groaned under the weight of exotic excesses. We're talking flamingo tongues, dormice, and even peacock. Alongside a dazzling array of imported spices, each rare ingredient was a testament to the vast reach of the Roman Empire. Its ability to procure the most extraordinary delicacies from across the known world. The dining experience itself was a ritual. Guests would recline on elegant couches in the triclinium, turning meals into long, indulgent social performances. This wasn't about quick sustenance. It was about hours of conversation, entertainment, and the slow, deliberate enjoyment of every course. Status was literally served on a plate. The more unusual, the more difficult to acquire, the more expensive the dish, the higher the host's prestige soared. It was a culinary arms race, where each banquet tried to outdo the last in terms of extravagance, yet, even in their own time. This extreme luxury sparked debate. Roman writers criticized the lavishness, viewing these opulent feasts as symbols of moral decline and unchecked excess. They questioned whether such indulgence was truly a sign of greatness or a harbinger of decay. Join us as we delve deeper into the fascinating and sometimes shocking world of Roman feasts, exploring the fine line between celebration and sheer decadence. Thanks for watching FoodSaga. Like, subscribe, and see you next time.